tuning into another video with ToiraJ'nai TV. I am here to do a product review today. As you can tell, I still have my lovely braids installed, but these things are coming out because it's time for them to go. It's time for these things to get out of my head. Okay? So let me put this back on. And I'm gonna show you the products that I'm about to review. Alright guys, so our girl Taraji P. Henson just released her line that is being sold in Target stores. Alright, so my local Target had all of the products. I mean, all of them. And honey, I couldn't buy all of them with my coins now. I can only buy a few. So here are the few products that I bought that once I take my braid installation out, I will be trying today, and I will come back later on and give you an official review. But I'm going to show you what I got. So the first product that I picked up is the Never Salty. And I just love the name of her products. Ain't it cute? Never Salty. So this is a sugar-based scalp and hair scrub. So you'll just put this on your scalp, massage it in, and then you'll use it right before you shampoo your hair. The next two products that I will use right after I use the salty scalp scrub, I will use this right here, the Serene Queen, and it is actually a gentle shampoo to purify, revive, and refresh your hair. And then this right here is the next product that I'll use in combination with that one. It is the Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. So I'll use these two products right after I cleanse my scalp. I'm feeling it. Guys, so I am coming back to you with a final products review. This is the next day. It is Sunday morning at about 11:29. So I did get in the shower this morning, let my hair get a little wet. I did go back and add this product right here after I got out of the shower. This is the Ride or Die Detangling Condition. And this is what my hair is looking like this morning. I don't like it. I don't like the feel of it. The curls are there, but it just doesn't feel all that great to me. So I added this product again this morning, and I actually in the back added a little bit of the Tough Cookie as well, and I'll turn around so you guys can see the back. This is the back of my hair. So working with this one is looking like. I did try to add a little bit of this oil this morning too, to like kind of give it a little bit of more moisture because it feels dry to me. It didn't help. The consistency of this oil is like a petroleum jelly. So that's how the oil comes out. If you guys can tell, see that? That's how the oil comes out. Yeah, it says you can use it on your body too, but once you put it on your hands, it's what your hands look like. So yeah, the smell. Let's talk about the smell. It when I was initially putting it on, it smelled okay, but it's definitely a strong smell, and you're gonna smell it throughout the day, throughout the night. And I did have some issues with my eyes starting to burn last night, like after I had gone through the whole wash process. Applied this and applied this. Once I finished and my hair was just wet and just kind of air drying like you do in a wash and go, I did experience like my eyes started to burn for the rest of the night. I'm not sure if it's these products, but it's the only thing different that I used. So let's talk about this product right here for a minute. It is the shampoo that I decided to use, and it's supposed to purify, revive, and refresh. But this is the hair type that it said it's for, so straight and wavy. So I wonder if, because my hair is not straight and wavy naturally, if that's the reason why it didn't work. But it dried my hair out so bad. Oh my God. My hair felt like it was about to break. Like it was about to fall all the way up. But my hair was so dry after using it. The only thing that helped this right here out was this. So after I washed twice with this, I put this in as a leave-in. This did help it like come back to life, but still when I used it this morning, my hair still feels dry. So and this says for all hair types. So this product right here is the Tough Cookie. It is the gel that I use. I so wanted this gel to work. Like I want it to be my friend. Like look at the packaging. Is that not just cute? And then it's called Tough Cookie. Like I wanted it to work. Like abracadabra, cadabra, 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 work. It didn't work. So I think it didn't work because it's a looser gel. Like y'all see that? Like that's how loose this gel is. Like that's probably a bad idea. But it's loose. It's real loose. It doesn't have any tackiness to it. I did not experience any flakes. Like I don't see any flakes in my hair or anything. It's just dry. Like y'all hear it? Like it's just dry to me. But yeah, no. My review, drum roll. I'm gonna have to pass. Like these products are not for me. I'm gonna have to, yeah. It's a no. It's a no, guys. It's a no. But please tune in for more videos. If you like this video, comment down below, subscribe. I love you lots. I love you all. I love you, love you, love you. I will see you later in the next video.